Hello everyone, welcome to English Minute, the place where you can learn simple, real-life English in just a few minutes every day. Here we practice easy conversations, improve speaking skills, and learn English the fun way. So, relax, listen, and speak along. Let's start learning English, 1 minute at a time. Restaurant ordering. Conversation.
Good evening. Welcome to City Bites Restaurant. How many people?
Just one, please.
Sure, right this way. Here is your table. Would you like to see the menu?
Yes, please. I'm really hungry today.
No problem. Here's our menu. Today's special is grilled chicken with vegetables.
Oh, that sounds good. Is it spicy?
It's mildly spicy, but we can make it less spicy if you want.
Great. Please make it less spicy. And what drinks do you have?
We have fresh juice, iced tea, soft drinks, and lemonade.
I'll take a lemonade.
Perfect. Would you like any starter? Maybe soup or garlic bread?
I'll try the tomato soup.
Excellent choice. So, tomato soup, grilled chicken less spicy, and 1 lemonade. Anything else?
That's all for now.
All right. I'll bring your drink and soup in a moment. Here's your lemonade and soup. How does everything taste?
The soup is delicious, very fresh.
I'm glad you like it. Your main dish will arrive soon. Here is your grilled chicken. Let me know if you need anything.
Wow, it looks amazing. Thank you.
How was your meal?
It was perfect. I really enjoyed it.
Great. Would you like dessert?
Maybe next time. Can I have the bill, please?
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you. Have a nice evening.
You too. Please visit again.
Let's all overcome the fear of speaking English together. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, be sure to do it. So, see you in the next video. Good luck and practice makes perfect.